Hit the trail, unraveling English idioms. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, hit the trail. This is a fun expression that's widely used in English-speaking countries. So, if you're ready to expand your English idiomatic knowledge, stay tuned. Hit the trail usually means to begin a journey or to start a hike. It's an idiom that originates from the days when trails were the main paths through the countryside. When someone said they were going to hit the trail, it meant they were setting out on a path or journey. You can use this phrase when talking about starting any trip or activity, not just a hike. For example, if you're leaving for work, you might say to your family, "I've got to hit the trail now. See you tonight." It's a casual and slightly adventurous way to say goodbye. Let's see how this phrase works in different sentences. We need to hit the trail early if we want to reach the summit by noon. After our coffee break, it's time to hit the trail and continue our road trip. The athletes are ready to hit the trail and start the marathon. Sometimes, you might hear variations like, hit the road, or hit the path. These mean essentially the same thing but can imply different settings. Road often refers to driving, and path could mean a more figurative journey. And that's a wrap on Hit the Trail. We hope you enjoyed this journey through English idioms and feel ready to use this phrase in your conversations. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to hit the trail with new idiomatic expressions. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.